Hello everyone, welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. Hope you all are having a good day out there today. And we're going to make some chicken. We're actually going to make some Harissa chicken, which is an African spice. I was able to get this container of the dry Harissa from one of the markets here locally in the Charlotte area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up. I got some lime, a little bit of honey here, and I have some paprika. We're probably going to add some garlic and salt and pepper to this. We're going to make something of a paste or whatever to go on this chicken that we have here. We have 2 chicken thighs, 2 chicken legs. We're going to cook as with this harissa. And we also have, I got some purple potatoes. Now, these are not purple sweet potatoes. These are purple potatoes. So we're going to have these purple potatoes on the side. This is going to be kind of a international dish here. We're going with some African spice and the purple potatoes, and maybe we might throw some carrots or another vegetable on the plate as well. So I'm gonna get everything blended up and ready to go, and then we'll start cooking this harissa chicken. Okay, everybody, so we're going to make the paste for this harissa chicken. So what I have in this bowl is I have 3 garlic cloves chopped very finely. So I have that in a bowl here. And on this board here, I have some harissa paste, harissa seasoning powder, the dry harissa. We have 2 teaspoons of that. And I have a half a teaspoon of salt in there. In this bowl, we have some ground coriander, some ground cumin, and some smoked paprika. So I got a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of the ground cumin and the ground coriander seeds. So we have the zest from half of a lime and the juice as well in this bowl here. And here we have a coriander paste, which is just some coriander, parsley, and olive oil in a food processor, blended up very good to make it into a paste. And we have a little bit of honey here, and we also have some olive oil. So we're gonna get these ingredients in the bowl, and we're gonna mix them up and make a paste. We're gonna add the chicken to it, and then we're gonna marinate the chicken in the paste, and then we'll be ready to get it into the pan and start cooking. All right, everybody, we have purple potatoes. I washed them, peeled them, and cut them into chunks here. Now these are not the Japanese purple sweet potatoes. These are actually purple potatoes that are a lot like the russet potatoes that are very popular here in the US. So what I have in this bowl here is I have some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, and some dry Italian seasoning. And we're gonna just sprinkle that over the potatoes. And we're going to put some olive oil on and mix these up, and we're gonna put them in the oven. Now, purple potatoes are very healthy. They have lots of amino acids and vitamin B and all of the things that are good for your body. So we're not gonna fry these or try to add too much fat and unhealthy ingredients to them. But you know, you can cook these any way you do your regular russet potatoes. You can mash them, you can fry them, you can roast them, you can bake them. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a little roast here, roast potatoes, and we got them mixed up here with the seasonings on them. And we're gonna put them on this greased baking sheet. And we're gonna put these in the oven and roast them off until they're tender and brown and ready to eat. So just wanted to show you how we're preparing the roasted purple potatoes. Okay, everyone, now it's time to cook our chicken. So what we have here is our pan getting hot on the stove. We're going to add some oil to the pan. And we're going to do the technique of searing the chicken and then baking it. So we're going to sear it off in this hot pan first. For the chicken thighs, we're going to do skin side down. And next we're going to add the legs. And we're going to sear these till they're nice and brown on each side. And then the next step is to get them into the oven. Okay, everyone, the Harissa chicken has finished cooking. It's been in the oven for about 30 minutes, so our sear and bake technique works out pretty good. We serving this up with some carrots, with some garlic and lime in the carrots, and we also have the roasted purple potatoes, which is, like I said, a very healthy potato for you. So we have this Harissa chicken here. It has nice color on it as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a taste and see what it tastes like. So we're just gonna cut off a piece right here. Harissa chicken. It's very good. The char to it is great. There's some spice to it. There's some kick to this harissa. So I like that. These purple carrots, I never roasted them like this before. So let's see what they taste like as well. Good. A little more flavor than a russet potato. Kind of a nuttier taste, but this is really good. Actually, it's so good, I gotta have another piece. Oh yeah. I will be preparing this again. I want to thank everybody for viewing. I think this is a really good recipe. I'm gonna put all of the information on the comment section below so you can prepare this fabulous dish at home yourself. I'm gonna end the video now because I don't want you to see me eat this whole plate of food. But thank you for viewing, and come back to Willa Dean's Kitchen often for some more tasty cooking videos. Thank you. Have a good day.